Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than HBAR. We're going to be analyzing the charts of HBAR, see what really is happening and where we could see the prices going in the immediate short term. If we're looking at the price right now, it is currently sitting at 4.9 cents, almost at 5 cents mark. It's up 3.1% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down about 2.2% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $1.57 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $28.6 million. Now, of course, let's shift our focus towards the analysis, see what really is happening with the price of HBAR and where I could potentially see this project going in the immediate short term. As always, guys, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, we have seen over the past few days something very, very interesting play out for the entire markets. Just yesterday, we had a massive bombshell regarding, SEC suing Binance. So now, that has made a massive impact on the entire crypto markets, and I really saw whales, I think, take massive advantage of that news, because at the end of the day, Binance is arguably the biggest exchange when it comes to the cryptocurrency market. So especially when SEC comes and sues them, that is going to make a massive effect on the entire market. So today, as of June 6, 2023, we are seeing BTC having a massive bounce towards the upside. Since yesterday, we have seen Bitcoin make a massive bounce and potentially could be re-entering the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So that can really cause a lot of excitement within the space. But of course, we were leading up to the month of June with a lot of good news coming out, and of course, that news is going to be manipulated. Whales are going to manipulate the markets. Remember, a lot of people must be long, right? A lot of people were probably long, thinking the prices are just going to continuously go up. But if you guys are familiar with the cryptocurrency markets, a manipulation occurs on a day-to-day basis, and that's why I always say to each and every one of my viewers to never leverage trade. Leverage trading will kill your profits and your overall portfolio. And this is just one of the great examples as to why you need to stay away from leverage trading. But now let's get right into the analysis for HBAR, see what is really happening with the price and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. So of course, guys, anything on this channel, like I said, is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But if we're looking at HBAR, I'm insanely impressed. Now you may be saying, why are you insanely impressed? The price is not even moving up towards the upside. What makes you super impressed about HBAR? So basically, let's go back to May 11th. Okay, so basically from May 11th, we've been trading, just sideways around this range. You guys can see this for yourself, and that shows, there is a lot of momentum around its side, a lot of sideways momentum, because of course at the end of the day, at that range, there is a lot of support built up around here that dates back to last November, and we were trading within that range. And even yesterday, when Bitcoin has seen a massive drop within its price, going down to $25,200 mark, we did see HBAR go down to this 4.6 cents mark, but we have been quickly bought back up, and we're currently sitting at almost 5 cents again, basically around the same level we've been trading since the month of May. And that shows the momentum the holders have right now. The reason being, we're not seeing as much of volatility within the price of HBAR. Of course, Bitcoin has been going back and forth, between the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level and the 78.6, but mainly we've seen HBAR pretty much hold around this range. If you guys literally look at this, just a lot of sideways momentum, and I'm starting to see, very bullish pattern forming right now. And if we do see a little bit more volume coming in, I do expect HBAR could be really picking it up, especially its steam towards the upside. So things are starting to look really nice for HBAR. A lot of people will not mention this to you guys, and that is something that is worthwhile covering. And if we're looking at BTC dominance right now, yes, it's increasing right now. Reason why it's increasing right now, we were sitting at around 47% yesterday, but reason as to why we've seen a massive uptick in BTC dominance is because Bitcoin has seen a massive green candle forming towards the upside. And obviously, when that happens, we do tend to see dominance increase. So of course altcoins and BTC comparative right now are lagging behind, and we've seen HBAR do that also. It's down about 2.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. So the next few days could be very, very crucial, because remember, right now this is quite exciting, but I'm not getting too excited right now unless Bitcoin reclaims the 61.8 and actually goes above the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level resistance that I've been talking about on my channel, which is at $28,700 mark. It's a 6% move towards the upside. If Bitcoin is able to reclaim that, guys, be prepared for HBAR to start moving towards the upside as well. So things could really start ramping up, for HBAR. And you guys know Hedera Hashgraph has one of the biggest communities when it comes to crypto space. A lot of people are excited about this project. A lot of people are saying that this project is undervalued, considering the moves that it's making within the crypto space, and of course bringing mass adoption to crypto. So there's a lot of competitors to HBAR as well, but it sticks out. And I've said this to you guys before, and I am projecting HBAR this bull cycle to reach $1 plus mark. And this bull cycle does not mean this year. This bull cycle, according to history, should top out early 2025, but the parabolic season should begin sometime next year. So we really could see more explosive moves as we do go into the year of 2024 also. But right now altcoin season needs to start, but we have no signs of that right now. In order for altcoin season to start, we need to lose this level of support at 46%, and that's where I think altcoin season confirmation really kicks in. But HBAR right now, a lot of accumulations happening. I read a lot of comments. A lot of people are saying they're accumulating, they love this project, they have done their due diligence and research, and they see this project really heading back to its all-time high, which was 57 cents. And I see it crossing even that, because this bull cycle should be bigger than the previous one. And if Bitcoin were to hit like $120,000 per BTC, of course things can start looking crazy for a lot of altcoins, because money will flow into it, and of course the momentum does carry on. And if HBAR stays in this 36th ranking, things can really start ramping up quite fast. But that is it for today's update. I'm really liking how HBAR is holding, despite a lot of volatility, uncertainty within the markets. Really like what it's doing. And if Bitcoin were to break above $28,000 mark, I really am confident that we are going to start heading back up to this massive level of resistance, which we have not retested since April 2nd. So very interesting times ahead. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of HBAR going, and what is your current strategy right now as of now. Let me know in the comment section. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support you guys show me, and let me know if you want to see more continuous HBAR updates with news articles and all that good stuff. I'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.